Hey YouTube, welcome back to What's Your Problem, and this is the third episode of my Coursera Python for Everybody series. And today we're gonna do a simple assignment. Let's go to week 3. Let's check out our assignment. Okay, so this is the Python playground designed by the Python for Everybody team. And for this assignment, you're supposed to write a print statement to say hello world. And notice that the first line says that the code below almost works. And the hash or pound sign in the front indicates that it's a comment and not a code. And the second line is our code, but it doesn't work because there's a printing mistake here. It says print rather than print. So just delete the Q and add a T, and be informed that your output has to match this desired output, and this output is case sensitive. So if all the letters are small letters, then make sure all the letters you're typing here are also small. Otherwise, you're gonna have a problem. Okay, now that we're done here, let's check our code. And we're done, and the grade is updated on the server. And that's it for this assignment. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos where I solve your problems. Until next time, what's your problem?